Just wanted to come up and participate and be part of the launch for the new engines and understand more about what's coming for 2027. This is a great example of how Cummins helps you prepare for the future. They really educate you on what's coming next.
Just really reinforces why you partner with Cummins and just the fact that they're here, they're showcasing the technology.
Being able to get behind the wheel and see something and ask questions.
All right, so tell me all about this vehicle, why we're driving, what's special about it, what's different?
We just had the privilege of taking Cummins' X15 out on the road for a test drive. It went really smooth.
You get to experience how much power it really has, as well as the Jake brake system or exhaust brake system. It has a ton of control, a ton of power. I was super impressed.
We have areas that require big pulls. The Jake's on a Cummins, there's no other option for it comparatively.
Shifting felt really good. The combination of the Eaton transmission, the 12-speed Endurance, and the X15 is very smooth.
With that much power, you expect to have some noise, but there was almost zero.
The power really hasn't changed from the older engine to the newer engine.
And that's a good thing because the X15 has been a very good engine for us.
I can be the vessel to other drivers to let them know that I drove this Cummins truck in the KW and it was pretty good. You know, I loved it. I can only imagine driving on the interstate, making money with it.
We need reliability, and Cummins represents that, especially when you're in a business and you have tight timelines.
We run our trucks mostly in the mountains, so we need performance. We switched 100% over to Cummins.
If I'm going to be looking to buy a new truck, I'm going to buy something that I know I can get hundreds of thousands, even millions of miles out of, and Cummins would be my choice.